we have to use cos C plus cos D. What is cos C plus cos D? C plus D by 2. We have to use cos C plus cos D. What is cos C plus cos D? C plus D by 2. If you observe, it is in the form sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. All of you know, sin A cos B minus this 1 minus tan square x and one term cancels. So numerator we are left out with 4 tan x. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today I'll continue with the problems of exercise 3.3. So prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. See, first in numerator, we'll take LHS, and important thing is we need to club them. See here 4, 3, 2 are there. I'll club all even numbers. So because we have to use cos C plus cos D. What is cos C plus cos D? C plus D by 2. So if we want to make the number divisible by 2, group the even numbers. Here 4 is there, here 2 is there. First I'll write cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x. Then the denominator 4, 3, 2 is there. Same thing we'll do. First I'll write sin 4x. Then I'll write sin 2x. The last term I'll write in between, and the odd number. So this is odd number. I'll put it at the end. This helps you to make to solve the problem faster and better. So rearrangement also counts a lot. So now cos C plus cos D. However, if you do similar, if you do as it is also you'll get, but it takes a lot of time. So group it first. So now cos C plus cos D. What is cos C plus cos D? Cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2. 2 cos 4x plus 2x by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. 4x minus 2x by 2 plus cos 3x divided by, so now sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2. 2 sin 4x plus 2x by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. 4x minus 2x by 2 plus the last term sin 3x. Now further we need to simplify. Further I can write this as numerator 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. So it will become cos 3x. Cos x. So this became cos x plus cos 3x. Plus cos 3x. Denominator 2 sin 4 plus 2 6. 6 by 2 is 3. 2 sin 3x into cos 2x by 2 cos x plus sin 3x. So now in numerator you can take cos 3x common. I'll take cos 3x common in numerator. So I'll be left out with cos 3x. If you take out, you will be left out with 2 cos x plus 1. In denominator, take sin 3x common. If you take sin 3x common, again you will be left out with 2 cos x plus 1. So now you can cancel the terms that are present. This is 2 cos x plus 1, this is 2 cos x plus 1, cancels. So what is left out? Cos by sin, cos 3x by sin 3x. You know, cos by sin is what? Cot. Cot 3x. So check the RHS. RHS is cot 3x, and we got cot 3x. This is RHS, hence the proof. Just we used cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Then we used sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. But the hint is grouping. First 4 and 2 you group, and 3 you put it at the end. Again 4 and 2 you group and put 3 at the end. Next, cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x, we need to prove it as 1. See here, take LHS again. Cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x we have taken. So now in these two terms you can see cot 2x is common. Let us take cot 2x common. Take cot 2x common, you are left out with cot x minus cot 3x minus again cot 3x into cot x. Now you know that cot 2x can be written as cos 2x by sin 2x. Cos can be written as cos by sin. Cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Again same thing. Cot x can be written as cos x by sin x minus cos 3x by sin 3x minus cot 3x. Cot 3x can be written as cos 3x by sin 3x into cot x can be written as cos x by sin x. Now further we'll simplify. That is equal to cos 2x by sin 2x, cos 2x by sin 2x. For the internal term, take LCM. So for these two, sin x into 3x, sin x into sin 3x is the LCM. In the denominator, we'll have sin x into sin 3x. In numerator, take LCM, cos x into sin 3x or sin 3x into cos x. In between, we have minus. So cross multiply sin x into cos 3x. Sin x into cos 3x or cos 3x into sin x. Outside and the other term, minus cos 3x by sin 3x minus cos 3x by sin 3x into cos x by sin x into cos x by sin x. Whatever is there, we wrote as it is. Now you can convert this. So outside we have cos 2x divided by sin 2x. Further, if you observe, it is in the form sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. All of you know sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, sin of a minus b, it is sin of 3x minus x divided by, we have sin x into sin 3x minus cos 3x into cos x by sin x into, sin 3x, it is sin 3x into sin x. Further, 3x minus cos 2x into by sin 2x. Numerator, sin 3x minus x is sin 2x divided by sin x into sin 3x. Further, this particular term is cos 3x divided by sin 3x into cos x by sin x. So further you can simplify the terms. So I can cancel sin 2x and we are left out with cos 2x by cos 2x by sin x into sin 3x minus cos 3x into cos x divided by sin 3x into sin x. Dear students, observe carefully, denominators are same. So LCM will be same. What is the LCM? Sin x into sin 3x. Numerator, directly you can take cos 2x minus cos 3x into cos x. And what we need to prove? We need to prove it as 1. So observe, cos x minus cos 3x cos x. So here cos 2x can be rewritten. Now you can simplify these two terms. Cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1. Simplifying this. So we have cos 2x, after that cos 2x let it be minus, this is in the form cos a cos b. Cos a cos b is half cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b, a means 3x plus x, plus cos of a minus b, cos of 3x minus x, divided by, denominator is sin a sin b. Sin a sin b is again half cos of a minus b, that is 3x minus x minus cos of a minus b, cos of 3x plus x, a plus b. Sin a sin b is half cos of a minus b minus this. Now simplify this. Numerator becomes cos 2x, let it be, minus, open the brackets, half. 3 plus 1 is 4x. So cos 4x. Again open the brackets, minus half. 3x minus x is cos 2x. observe this carefully. In denominator, we'll have half into cos 2x minus cos 4x. See, here, this is 1 and this is half. All of you know, 1 minus half is half. So, this is 1 minus half. 1 minus half is half. I'll write this as half cos 2x minus half cos 4x. Numerator, these two are like terms. This is one term, this is half term. All of you know 1 minus half is half. So, in spite of cos 2x minus 1 by 2 cos 2x, it will become 1 by 2 cos 2x. Denominator is half cos 2x minus cos 4x. Half into cos 4x. Now, numerator also you take half common. So, it will become cos 2x minus cos 4x divided by half cos 2x minus cos 4x. So, therefore, we can cancel the terms. So, I can cancel these two. Half by half also cancels. Half also cancels. We will get finally what? We will get finally 1 is equal to 1 is the RHS. So, let me talk about the important concepts of the problem, that is. So, here one is we use this format. So, here cos A cos B. What is cos A cos B? Cos A cos B can be written as half cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. This step is crucial and important. Similarly, here we have sin A sin B. So, we also use sin A sin B. What is sin A sin B? Sin A sin B can also be written as half cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So, I hope all of you understood this. Now, next problem. Tan 4x, you need to prove it as 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. Take LHS. So, tan 4x. You can write tan 4x as what? Multiple angle. Can I write it as tan 2 times 2x? It is tan 2 theta. What is tan 2 theta? 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So, we can write 2 tan x. In the place of x, we have 2x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Tan square 2x. Again, this tan 2x, you apply the formula. Further, I can write 2 tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan square 2x you have. What is tan 2x? You know tan 2x can be written as, outside 2 let it be, tan 2x can be written as 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Denominator 1 minus, again tan square 2x can be written as 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Further, we will simplify. Numerator 2 to the 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x into, it will become 1 minus tan square x. If you take LCM, it will become 1 minus tan square x the whole square. This minus 2 tan x the whole square, or we'll take one more step to simplify this. So, I'll go to the next slide to write this. So, here we'll take the value, that is, so that is simplified. 2 to the 4, 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x divided by, simplify this, 1 minus 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. That is 1 minus 2 tan x the whole square. 2 tan x the whole square can be written as 4 tan square x divided by this whole square, 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Now take LCM. So, it will become 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. If I take LCM for the denominator, denominator becomes 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Again, into 1 is 1 minus tan square x the whole square minus 4 tan square x. Simplify this. If you further simplify, numerator is 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Again, take this denominator to numerator, it will become 1 minus tan square x the whole square divided by 1 minus, this is in the form of a minus b the whole square, a square plus b square. B square means tan power 4x minus 2ab, 2 tan square x, 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x. Now this 1 minus tan square x and 1 term cancels. So numerator we are left out with 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by denominator. So 1, or first I'll write tan power 4x degree 4. Then minus 2 tan square minus 4 tan square is minus 6 tan square x plus 1. Hence this is the RHS. This is the RHS if you see. Hence the proof. First they wrote 1. So I can also write this as what? 4 tan x into 1 minus, see what is the numerator? 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x. Same thing we got divided by. So 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. This is the RHS, hence the proof. I hope all of you understood this. So tan 2 theta formula repeatedly we used. All of you know what is tan 2 theta. So what is tan 2 theta? So tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Oh, sorry, 1 minus tan square theta. This is a basic formula we repeatedly use. So whatever 2 theta is there, it will become half. So tan 4x was there. I wrote it as 2 times 2x. So it will become 2 tan 2x by 1 minus tan square 2x. Again we have tan 2x. Again we use it as 2 tan x and continue the process. Next, they want you to prove cos 4x. So take LHS. Cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. So I'll take cos 4x. Can we write it as cos 2 times 2x? So now it is in the form of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. So now 2 cos square x minus 1 also you can write. In spite of that, because you can see RHS contains 1 in the beginning. Here 1 is there. So I can write it as 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Again 1 minus 2 sin square 2x can be written as sin 2x the whole square. That can be written as 1 minus 2 sin 2x the whole square. Can we write this as 1 minus 2 sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x the whole square. Expand it. So 1 minus 2 into 2 square sin square x cos square x. So now 1 minus 2 square is for 4 2s are 8 into sin square x into cos square x. Sin square x. I am multiplying. 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8 and 2 sin square x into cos square x. So finally we got 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x, which is the RHS, hence the proof. This is what they want you to prove. We got it. So just I use cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Why I should write? Because I saw sin square as well as 1 in the beginning. Then sin 2 theta is, here we will get 2 sin x cos x. Sin 2x we love. Sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. Then take square inside. That's it. Then cos 6x. So take LHS. What is LHS? Cos 6x. Cos 6x can be written as cos 2 times 3x. Cos 2 times 3x. So I want in terms of cos everything. So can I write it as 2 cos square 3x minus 1. All of you know cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. Why I am writing this formula? Because RHS everything is made of cos. And 2 times, can I write it as cos 3x the whole square minus 1. Now again it is in the form of cos 3 theta. So that will become 2 times cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta can be written as 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So here it is in the form of x, sorry. Cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Here we have cos cube x. So 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, cos 3x. So instead of cos 3x, I am writing this, but we have whole square. Then we have minus 1. So simplify this, it will become 2 times a minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? All of you know, so here I have to simplify this. 2 will be, 2 is only for what? 2 is only for what? 2 cos square 3x minus 1. 2 is quotient only for this 3x. Cos 3x minus 1. So cos 3x we have substituted. Now A minus b the whole square is a square 4 square cos cube x the whole square, or a square plus b square. B square means 3 cos x the whole square minus 2ab. 2 into 4 into cos cube x into 3 cos x minus 1. And this 2 is not common for both. The 2 is only for what? This. If you refer the last case, see here we have 2 cos square x minus 1. 2 cos square 3x minus 1. We will write cos 3x formula and whole square as it is. 2 is quotient only for the first term and minus 1 is outside. Now simplify this, all of you know 4 square is 16. 2 times 16 cos power 3 2s are 6x plus 3 square is 9 cos square x minus 2 4s are 8 cos cube x into 3 cos x minus 1. Now multiply this 16. So now finally we need to get in terms of 32. So 16 2s all of you know 32 cos power 6x plus we don't have like term, so multiply 9 2s are 18 cos square x. So I'm multiplying 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16 or 6, so 48. So if you multiply 2 to this, 2 8s are 16, 16 3s are 48 minus 1. So now further, if any like terms are there, you can simplify. So what is the RHS? 32 cos power 6x, we got it. And 48 cos x power 4x. 48 cos, okay. Cos cube x into cos x. Further you can simplify. So that is 32 cos power 6x plus, sorry, first I'll write this term in the decreasing order, power 4. Now can you compress this as minus 48. Cos cube into cos is cos power 4x. Then remaining is what? Plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So check. Yes. Hence the proof RHS. Simple. What we have done? We took 6x as 2 into 3x cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. For this cos 3 theta, again cos 3 theta can be written as 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, and whole square, apply a minus b the whole square, simplify, you'll get the answer. So multiple angles, if you are thorough, you can do the problems. I hope all of you understood. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.